Hello everybody, hello, welcome to this video where we're going to look at the 4 times table. Lots and lots of different ways. Now, during my class we've done the 2, the 3, and then we skipped to the 5 times table. And everybody was like, why? Well, the 4 times table, a little bit tricky actually. And after you've done your 2 and your 3, the 5's an easy one. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So, some more challenging times table is the 4. Let's go for it. We're going to look at it in lots of different ways. Now, first we need to think about times table. What does that really mean? Well, times is what some people use to describe multiplying. And multiply is where you add an equal group to something. I've got the up above me in the blue. That is the multiply sign, the down sign. You've got addition, subtraction, multiply. Sometimes known as times as well. And so it's to add an equal group. So for example here, I've got Batman in a wee box. And if I was to multiply Batman, I would get an exact copy of him, an equal group, an equal copy. And every time I multiply him again, I've got to get an equal group. Now, the same works here. If I've got 2 Batmen and I multiply the 2 Batmen, I'm going to get an equal group. So now I've got 4. If I multiply the 2 Batmen again, I get another equal group. I've got 6, 8, and so on. We kind of know this, but it's just good to refresh your memory all the time. Now, with the 4 times table, it's just the same as all the rest. It is repeated addition. So 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 4, add 4. 4 times 3 is 4, add 4, add 4. 4 add itself 3 times, yeah. Now, we've built this in the past using cubes and using Lego. We've built the times table. That might be a good idea to pause the video here and see, can you build the times table? Or can you even draw it using squares? 4 times 1, 4 times 2, 4 times 3. To get that idea of this repeated addition as we go up. Pause the video. We might want to give that a go. Okay. Here, this is always useful to look at, I think, as well. This is what we call a 100 square. Hopefully we've seen these before. I've done it in a previous video. It's 100 square. It goes from the number 1 all the way to the number 100 at the bottom. And what I've done is I've highlighted in yellow every number in the 4 times table. What we sometimes call multiples of 4. Can you spot a pattern? Have a look. Can you spot a pattern? I think there's quite a few patterns I can spot. I can spot diagonal patterns. I can spot patterns going down the way and along the way. And it's a repeating pattern as well that you might notice. Looking for patterns in number, especially in 100 squares, is always a really, really good idea to do. There's a thing called a splat grid. If you Google splat grid, the first thing that comes up is on a site called Topmarks. You can go on it, you can splat the numbers, okay, and you can look for patterns with the 3 times table too, the 5 times table, but it's just good to look at the 4 times table there. Of course, even if you get stuck with your 4 times table at any point, or even if you didn't know it, you could still draw it if you know about arrays. Now, we've used arrays for all our times tables previously, but I'll just do a wee recap again. 4 times 3 really means 4 groups of 3. 4 groups. Oh, I've gone the wrong way there. 4 groups of 3. 1 group of 3. 2 groups of 3. 3 groups of 3. 4 groups of 3. And we've drawn arrays a lot, so what I'd like to do now is, I know we haven't even looked at the 4 times table, but pause the video. Could you draw as an array 4 times 2 and 4 times 4? Give it a go. You definitely paused it. I'll give you time just in case. Sometimes, it's hard to hit the pause button. Definitely giving it a go. Paused it. Let's have a look then. So first one, I've got 4 times 2. It's 4 groups of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. 4 times 2 is 8. We find the answer by counting up all the dots. 4 times 4 then. Does yours look a little bit like that? Got 4 groups of 4. Sometimes we also say 4 by 4 as well, or 4 by 2 for 4 times 2. So we can count them up. 4, 8, 12, 16. 4 times 4 is 16. Good. Hope we got on okay with that. Again, you could draw some more arrays if you find that a bit tricky. Why not try 4 times 5? Or 4 times 3? Cool. Right. Well, without further ado, this is the bit though, my class, we're always like, can we just get to that? Yes, we'll get there. But it's really important that we understand what is going on with a times table and multiplication. Right. Here we go though. Let's get to the times table then. What is the times table we're looking at today? It's 4, isn't it? What is 4 times 10? 40. Very good. Half of 40. 20. Yeah. Can we count up then? 4, 20, 40. Your turn. 4, 20, 40. I have to get my fingers the right way around. So I'm starting there. 4. Oh no, I've started here. 4, 20, 40. Right, okay, no worry. 4, 20, 40. Can we count back the way? 40, 20, 4. Your turn. 40, 20, 4. Very good. Right. Double 4 is 8. Double 8. 16. Can you double 16? Maybe think about partitioning it. 10 add 10, 6 add 6. Add the 2 together. 32. Let's count up then. I'll count, you count. 4, 8, 16, 20, 32, 40. Your turn. 4, 8, 16, 20, 32, 40. Can we count down the way? 1, 2, 3. Add 40, 32, 20, 16, 8, 4. Good stuff. Right, okay. 4 times 3 is triple 4. That means 4, add 4, add 4. It's 12. Very good. Can you double 12 to get 4 times 6? Double the 10, then double the 2. 24. Very good. Right, let's count up. We'll go 3 and 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 32, 40. Back the way. Here we go. 40, 32, 24, 20, 16, 12, 8, 4. Very good. Right. 4 times 9. Can you remember there's a wee rule with the 9 times table? 2 digits will always add up to 9. If you multiply any number by 9, 7 times 9, 25 times 9, 86 times 9, add the digits together, they will always equal 9. So if 4 times 8 is 32, add on 4. 4 times 9, 36. Because 3 add... Oh, wait. Let me do that again. 3 add 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equals 9. Right, let's count it then from the top. 3 and 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 32, 36, 40. Back the way. 40, 36, 32, 24, 20, 16, 12, 8, 4. What's the times table? 4. What's 4 times 10? What's half of 40? Double 4. Double it again. 4 times 8 is 32. You didn't know. Triple 4. 4 and 4 and 4. 12. Double 12 to get 4 times 6. 24. Very good. And we know that when we multiply something by 9, the 2 digits always add together to make 9. 4 times 9 is 36. 3 add 6 is 9. Right, perfect. Okay, right. We'll move. I've left something out, haven't I? I always leave it out because 4 times 7. Oh, that's 7 times table. Honestly, you'll never remember it. The 7 times table is so hard, you just won't remember it. I'll just leave it out. Are you sure? You sure? Right, fine. Fine. I'll put it in, but don't worry if you don't get it. It's fine. It's fine. 4 times 7 is 28. It's 28. 4 times 7 is 28. Now, try to remember it, that 4 times 7 is 28. You'll never remember 28. 28 is such a weird number. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 7, what is it? 28, see? 28 is 4 times 7. 4 times 7 is 28. I mean, I'm trying to help. It's very difficult when we're recording it this way, but I don't know if you remember it. I don't know. 4 times 7 is 28. We'll have to wait and see. We'll have to wait and see. Right, can we count from the top then? I say from the top, I mean from the start, sorry. Ready? 3 and 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Back the way. 40, 36, 32, 28, 24, 20, 16, 12, 8, 4. Very good. Now, of course, you can always make your own cards. Flip them up, and you can hide the ones that you need to hide. You can keep the ones that you forget up the other way around. You can make your own cards this way. Put them out on the carpet or on a table and practice. Okay, you can put them on your bedroom wall, even post-it notes, whatever way we do. Right, to finish then, I'm going to start to take away some numbers. What's the times table? 4 times 10 is half of 40 is 20. Right, let's go for it. 3 and 8, 12, 16, 24, 28, 32, 36. Very good. Double 4 is double 8. Double 16 for 4 times 8. Right, okay, you ready for this? Let's go for it. 3 and 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 36, 40. If you got a wee bit stuck there, just rewind it a little bit, look at the numbers again. Or you could always make your own cards and do it that way. Right, okay. Triple 4. 4 and 4 and 4. It's 12. Double 12. For 4 times 6. It's 24. Okay, ready? 3 and 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Very good. Can we go back the way? 4 and 40, 36, 32, 28, 24, 20, 16, 12, 8, 4. Again, if you're getting stuck, don't worry, just rewind it. You could watch this over and over and over if you want. If you can't be bothered making your own, or if you don't have paper or whatever at home, just watch this video over and over and over once a day. It'll be great. Right, 4 times 9. 36. 3 add 6 make 9. 36. And I'm going to leave 4 times 7 is 28 up. 4 times 7 is 28. Now, I know I've said that so many times. I've said that 4 times 7 is 28. I've said it over and over again. 4 times 7 is 28. But I still don't believe you'll remember 4 times 7 is 28. Really sorry. You're not going to believe. You're not going to remember it. It's too hard. It's too hard. It took me years. It took me years and years and years. And I'm an adult. Okay, 4 times 7 is 28. Nah, no chance. Okay, I'll leave it up. Let's go for it. 3 and 4. 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Back the way. 3 and 40, 36, 32, 28, 24, 20, 16, 12, 8, 4. Okay, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I only do it so it gets in your head. Okay, I totally believe in you. You know. 4 times 7 is... No, not 72. It's 28. It's 28. 4 times 7 is 28. Right. Well then, sorry about that. I thought I'd taken it off. I haven't. Well, that means then that you've got to go and make your own set of cards, definitely. Okay, see, can you learn this 4 times table? I would say 5 minutes a day with the kind of counting stick is a good way to do it. But it's also a really good idea to try and give yourself them out of sync. So maybe you can make flashcards. 4 times 3, 4 times 7, 4 times 9. I know a load of us have been doing that. So we get used to getting the 4 times table out of order. Remember to also draw it as a race as well. That's a really, really good idea. And it's really important that we feel number. We understand what it is. So getting a load of Lego bricks or a load of cubes and putting 4 in your hand, or 8 in your hand, or 12 in your hand. What does that feel like? That's really, really important for understanding number. So, good luck with the 4 times table. Can't wait to see how you get on.